What's up guys, Dave the Phone Guy back again, and today I have the OnePlus Buds. These were hard to get, but I got them and I got them here quick. I'm gonna get these unboxed. Instead of doing the normal impressions video, which I usually do when I first unbox some earbuds, we're also gonna compare them to the Vivo TWS Neos and the Realme Buds Air. So without further ado, let's do what we do. Grab your popcorn, get comfortable, and let's have a little fun. All right, guys, so let's get this unboxed first. All right. Now, these were pretty highly anticipated. I've been waiting a long time for OnePlus to release some wireless earbuds. I thought they were gonna do it with the OnePlus 8 series, but that did not happen, unfortunately. So, initially, right off the bat, it doesn't have a lot of weight, such as the Pixel Buds, which were in my pocket. They're always in my pocket. These have a substantial weight to it. It makes them feel more premium. So I'm just gonna put those to the side, not a Pixel Buds video. The shape is very similar to the Vivo TWS Neos. All right, let's go through the box, see what else we got in here real fast. So in here we have our A to C cable. I like that it's red, kind of cool, keeps going with the OnePlus theme. We got get started guide and more get started guides. We never read those. I'm actually quite curious to see if it's gonna automatically pop up on my OnePlus phone, but let's look here. We have USB Type-C Excelente. On the back, it says designed by OnePlus. Let's see what happens when I open them up. Will it auto pair? I do have the latest update. I actually got it just before filming this video, so it doesn't seem to want to auto pair. Let's go to our Bluetooth settings, find the OnePlus Buds. So there was no pop-up or anything. Kind of disappointing. All right, so we're paired. I'm in the settings now. It's gonna give us some more options. Actually, let's leave that open. So double click on the left earbud. It's showing that it can either pause play, activate voice assistant, previous track or next track. On the right earbud, same stuff here. I'm gonna set my right one for voice assistant and the same for the left. Now I see here that it has the AAC codec ready to go. Yeah, we'll update the firmware automatically. Auto play pause, so if you remove them out of your earbuds, put them back in, boom. Headset touch setup, double tap to play the next track. This also can be customized, which we already did. Find headset plays audio through the earbuds to help you locate them. So if you lose one in a seat cushion, the software will help you find it. Let's see how they feel. A little chime when I put it in, I like it. I can tell right away these are gonna be very, very comfortable. Now, this is my favorite type of earbud design. I like the ones that just kind of sit right on your ear lobes, right in there and hook in. They're very, very comfortable to me. What I'm gonna do first is, still in my ears. That's a good thing. So let's go ahead, get YouTube music going, right? And listen to some tunes, and we're gonna compare it back to back with the Neos and the Buds Air. Let's get started. Wish they had volume controls. That's kind of a letdown. Highs are good. Here comes the bass. Okay. So the highs are really good. The mids are strong. It's the bass, it's the bass, it's the bass, right? It's all about the bass. There's not a lot of it. You can hear it, it's punchy, but it doesn't fill, it doesn't feel good. It doesn't give vibrations of delight in my ears, but that's okay. The highs are good, mids are good, bass it's decent. It's not stellar, it's decent, it's good. It's $80. Right? What are we expecting for $80? Nothing that's gonna blow you away. It's just never gonna happen. But they feel good in my ears. Overall, they sound pretty decent. Let me go ahead and pop in the Realme Buds Air and compare how they sound. The Realme Buds Air come in at about half the price, 40 bucks. They're still in there. Here we go. A little coffee. Highs are crisp. So I gotta say that the highs actually might be slightly crisper. The mids are a little more mild and the bass is even softer than the OnePlus Buds. I'm gonna put the win to the Buds, to the OnePlus Buds in the sound category against the Realme Buds Air. Let's move on to the next step. Now let's take a look at the Vivo TWS Neos. Now these come in at about maybe a few bucks cheaper now than the Buds Air, but around 80 bucks, 75 to 80 bucks, depending on where you purchase them. So let's do the same thing. They're in my ears. I like this. I like this. I like what we're doing here, guys. All right, let's get the tunes going. Boom. Before, highs good, mids good, bass. Let me just hold my thoughts for 1 second, guys. Just hang on a sec. Hang on. Let's try the OnePlus Buds one more time. Alright, that was quick. That was easy. I could tell immediately that the OnePlus Buds are definitely better than the Vivo TWS Neos. The highs are crisper, the mids are better, the bass hits way harder. Now I said initially that it didn't give me vibrations of delight, and it still doesn't, but it definitely hits harder than these two. It's better than the Vivo TWS Neos, and it's better than the Realme Buds Air. We know now that the OnePlus Buds is the audio champ, but how is the mic, right? We want to know that part, don't we? Are you saying yes? I see your head shaking. I see him shaking. Let's move on to the next step and do the mic test.
All right, guys, this is the sound of my voice with the OnePlus Buds. Let's go ahead and introduce some ambient noise into the background. And I want you guys to let me know once I finished all 3 of these, which one you think is the best in the comments below.
All right, guys, so let's go ahead and put the Realme Buds Air up to the test now.
All right, this is the sound of my voice with the Realme Buds Air. Let's go ahead and introduce that ambient noise into the background. Let's hold all your comments till the end. I want to know which one is your favorite.
So now let's pop in the Vivo TWS Neos.
All right, guys, this is the sound of my voice with the Vivo TWS Neos. So now this is my voice with the TWS Neos with ambient noise running in the background.
Which one do you think is the winner? Is it the OnePlus Buds, the Realme Buds Air, or the Vivo TWS Neos? Let me know what you think is the best. Actually, put it in order, 1, 2, and 3. Put it all in the comments. I wanna know, I really wanna know. Something else I wanna show you, and it's the only one of the 3 that passes the lid test. So the hinge on this is really good, and the click is super satisfying. You go here to the Realme Buds Air, not so much. Not so much either with the Vivo TWS Neos. It adds to the premium feel of the Buds. I know it doesn't give you any other benefit if the lid stays open or closed, but for me, it gives it more of that premium feel. That's something that I like to see. Kudos to OnePlus. All right, so that's it. That's the deal. What do you think? Are they worth the 80 bucks? I think so, as long as they pass the mic test. Anyways, guys, if you like this video or I helped you in any way, smash that thumbs up. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell. That way you get notified of my next video. Peace. I'll talk to you in the next one.